So I'm going to go ahead and just get it started. You guys out there, you do your thing. My name is Goldy, and welcome to another episode of Live at the BeeHive. And when I say I'm at the BeeHive, boom, that's the BeeHive I'm talking about right there. This is unreal. So we have taken the show on the road quite literally. And as you can tell behind the band that is set up, about ready to rock and roll, we are in front of the Red Cliff Bridge in between Aspen and Minturn on Highway 24. And why? Because I learned something about this bridge today. Apparently its nickname is Lover's Leap.
I learned that today too.
Or the Green Bridge.
Or the Green Bridge. I kind of like the Green Bridge.
Our studio audience brought that to the table. You can't get away with just saying stuff anymore without having proof with everybody with Google. You know what I mean?
Yeah, somebody being all like, bent out of it. So I said to Tyree one day on the internet, I was like, yo, want to play in front of the Minturn Bridge with your band?
Yep.
Drive all the way from Steamboat on a random Tuesday? Answer was yes. And it's because there's a passion for this, and that's why we're doing this. So we're out here. It's just fun. Like, it's the week of the GoPro Mountain Games up in Vail, Colorado. I get to be a part of that as well. It's rad. I'm looking downstream. Maybe I can get you guys a shot. I don't know if we have the shot of downstream, but what I can do is bring it back to the band and understand that we are going through a really hard water year. There's not a lot of water up here at all. So this might be the biggest activity happening up at the river this year, because GoPro Mountain Games is unfortunately a no-go in this zone this year.
Yep.
What we're going to do is I'm going to introduce the band. They're going to go ahead and give it their all for a few songs maybe. Then we'll come in, talk a little bit more. They'll give us some more music, and then we're going to wrap it up. So it's a sunset set right here on Highway 24. You're with us wherever you are at on the internet. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Buffalo Commons. Buffalo Commons, Tyree, you are the lead singer.
Hey, thanks for having us.
Yeah, dude. What inspired you to come out here other than just being awesome?
Well, just being awesome was a huge contributing factor to what I... But you know what? Getting to do something with my buddies, my brethren, Denton Turner on the bass here. This is Eric Baker on the mandolin. That's Tyler Kane on the drums. And we're Buffalo Commons. And just getting out here and playing music with these guys in a beautiful place. I've never seen a video of anybody playing here before.
Yeah, this is a pretty amazing spot.
I always loved driving over this thing. So it was a no-brainer, really. And, yeah, and we got people here to hang out and watch us. We got folks that are coming in off the side of the road.
The
This
crowd
is a good time.
gathering.
We just started a festival, you guys.
That's right.
Green Bridge.
Lover's Leap.
So we're from Steamboat Springs, Colorado, and we enjoy playing all over the state and surrounding areas, and we enjoy playing music. And like you talked about earlier, not everything is driven by money. Sometimes it's just getting a chance to work with people like yourself, Goldy. We're progressive and pushing things forward and finding new ways to do things and finding silver linings in the stuff that we go through. And we spoke about that, and that's what we're all about too, and making the most out of a little bit. So we're gonna play some of our music for you guys, a couple songs that are ours. And does that work for you right now?
Send it.
All right. Okay, here we go. This is a song I wrote called Bottom Dollar.
looked high,
I looked high,
and I looked low,
I looked low,
and I got high,
I got high,
and I bottom dollar, she's gone.
Thank you guys. Bottom dollar.